Zamfam, these are cute animals on TikTok that will make you laugh. This horse thinks this is a real unicorn. He's trying to kiss her. Oh, the disappointment. It was just a human. Ooh, a dog pooped. Oh, that dog is frozen. Yes. Maybe if I just stand here and don't move, they won't see me and I'll be invisible. Other dogs on a leash. Oh, leash. It's like, hey owner, I love you. Let's keep going on a walk. This dog dropped the leash. Okay, what's gonna happen? Dog's just standing there. Oh, that dog is like, I am going to escape. Now is my chance. Ooh, okay, dog. Oh, he got the dog treat. Oh. The look of shame! Zamfam, isn't that funny? Zamfam, smash the thumbs up if that dog's reaction made you laugh a lot like it did me. I want you guys commenting your top 3 funniest videos in this. Oh, look at that dog. Dancing. He's dancing. Oh, look at Blackjack. He came in, he liked the dog dancing. These are definitely cute animals on TikTok that are making me laugh. Oh my gosh, is that a walrus? The walrus takes pictures? Oh my gosh, he even stuck out his tongue for the selfie. Oh my gosh, little puppies. Are they trying to learn to walk? Oh, the floor's too slippery. Okay, this one's cute. Just little dog prancing. That's what Peanut always does.
Oh my gosh, those dogs are adorable.
It's a zipper? It's a cat holder sweatshirt. Oh my gosh, Blackjack, you want one of those? You want me to carry you? No? I didn't think so. Maybe I'll ask Peanut. Ooh, okay. The dog is jumping in. Whoa, missed that. The cat just went through the drain. Oh, duck.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, a python. No. Pythons can open doors. Oh gosh, that is like my worst nightmare, Zamfam. No way. Can you imagine waking up to someone opening your door and finding out it's a python? Baby alligator. Ooh, against the cat. Dog. Ooh, fail. Oh, that dolphin took him out. And now we've got a flexible cat. Look at the dog. He's shutting the door to go to the bathroom. What manners. I wish my dogs did that. They just go anywhere. What's he doing? What's he doing? Oh, it's a pig? How did I not know it was a pig? A pig learned how to go to the bathroom on a toilet. What is life right now? That is blowing my mind. I can't even get my dogs to do a 360 belly roll. I've always kind of wanted a pig, Zamfam. Comment below, would you ever want a pig as a pet? What is that? Is that real? No. Sunglasses. Wait, is that a real animal? I'm so confused right now. You guys, go back. Is that real or is that fake? I think it's a real animal, but I'm not sure. Oh, terrified. That is terrifying how that turtle is getting water and then it goes up and down with its neck. That's a strong neck. I wish I had a strong neck like that.
Happy birthday to.
Oh, he knows this song.
Happy birthday, dear mom. Happy birthday to.
That dog knows the happy birthday song. That's actually a pretty good song to know, especially when it's your birthday. Wait, what's this one? This one isn't an animal. And that's because, Zamfam, that is a TikTok. Go to my TikTok. In case you guys do not know, I am pregnant. Whoop, whoop. Baby Zamfam's coming 2022. Okay, back to the cute animals. Oh, the goose. Oh, the goose is hugging the man. Oh, Blackjack. Blackjack's into these animals from TikTok, huh? Any single dogs in the house, give a shout out to Blackjack. Okay, let's keep watching. Yes, Blackjack. What? Yes, no, I told them I'm pregnant. Yes, they're gonna go comment on the TikTok. They'll comment your name, okay? Okay, you gotta get off. That cat's like, get that thing away from my face. Oh, it's a cute kitty. Oh my gosh, that animal. Oh, he sneezed. It scared his mom. Ooh, fail on the cat. Let's see this. Oh, the dog got excited. Cat almost took out the dog. Who's gonna win, dog versus cat? The wiener dog! Oh, that cheese is making me hungry. Zamfam, I am having cravings of pizza right now. I might eat pizza after this. How? The dog just walked on water. Have you ever fallen off a bed in the middle of sleep? It's so scary. Poor dog. These two dogs are so cute, you guys. Which is, he bit his head. Oh. They just went in the pool. They're like, this is a hot dog summer today. Wait for it. 2 cats. This is like siblings. Like, who's gonna go first? They're just waiting. Peanut and Blackjack do this all the time. Oh, the fight began. Oh! And then the big sister comes and she's like, I'm gonna take out all of you. Yeah, I'm the big sister for sure. Oh my gosh, a goat on a sheep. I've never seen this, but I've had a goat on me doing goat yoga. It's a thing, and it's actually pretty fun. Have you guys tried goat yoga? Let me know. Ooh, geese and ice. How are they gonna? Oh, they're slipping and sliding. That's me on ice too. Luckily it didn't crack. What happened? Oh no, I'm concerned. A raccoon? Wait, who has a raccoon as a pet? It looks like they're playing. That raccoon is playing with the little girl. Oh my gosh, that is the cutest. I've never thought about having a raccoon as a pet, but he kind of seems pretty nice, right, Zamfam? Ooh, what is this? The laser! Oh my gosh, if you have a cat and you've used the laser, you know how cats are. Look at that little cat. Oh, the mom just flipped the cat 3 times! Oh, that's like a circus trick that
never gets old.
All right, kitty. Ooh, ooh, oh, shake it. Shake it for the Zamfam. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh, this cat's got moves. So good. This cat is like, not today, vacuum, not today. The vacuum has to go around the cat. The cat is so lazy, he will not even get up so the vacuum can clean the carpet. Oh, but now the cat's like, oh, you wanna play? I got a new toy. Still not moving. Cat 1, vacuum 0. No, no. I do not mess with alligators. What if they came out of that glass? Is she not afraid? She's just laughing. She's feeding them. She could be their meal. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It came out. I'm scared right now. I'm scared. I'm scared. How is she just laughing like no big deal? Just got a couple alligators with me and they're hungry and you know, I could be eaten by them. But no, no. Oh, how did that end? I don't want to find out. Oh, look at this dog. Sleep doesn't stop me. What? He was asleep and then he smelt that food and he's like, I'm awake. Blackjack could be in the deepest sleep possible and if he smells food, he's awake. No way he's missing a meal.
Or 4th meal.
That's a turtle. A turtle is going, what was that? Was that an apple or something? That turtle's struggling, but he got the apple. He is hungry. Oh my gosh. Wow, I've never seen a turtle that active. Don't they always say turtles are slow? That turtle was fast. Oh, dolphin. So cute. Swimming, swimming. I don't know what that means, but I think it's like, oh, they're dancing. I've never swam with dolphins, but I've always wanted to. Has so many signs. That's so cute. We love a dolphin haul, Blackjack. Blackjack's just all over the room today. Okay, we got a little Titanic and then we've got a dog who looks really comfortable. He's like, you know, I just had a hard day at the office and I'm just gonna sleep like this and not move. Kind of like this guy, except he always moves. Oh no, oh no! Oh, play it off. Play it off, dog. We've all fallen on the stairs once or twice. I used to do it in high school. It was like the most embarrassing thing. I fell going up the stairs too, so respect. All right, Zamfam, and that is all the cute animals on TikTok that will make you laugh. Make sure that you are subscribed with notifications on. Give the video a thumbs up and be sure to go comment on that TikTok that you know that I'm pregnant. It's so crazy. We're gonna be doing more things, but I just wanted to let you guys know in case you didn't. Love you so much, and I'll see you next time.